In today's businesses, digital risk is inherent to the world. Due to varied business demands, we have to manage mission-critical business processes that can span multiple applications. Testing is a way to offset these risks. As business-critical applications continuously change, we have to continuously test. According to the 2017-2018 World Quality Report, only 16% of end-to-end business scenarios are executed with test tools. Core challenge is when it comes to implementing CI/CD across enterprise applications. Problems are compounded with legacy systems when it comes to knowledge transfer, from domain experts to automation specialists. Continuous testing inherits degree of risk and difficulty, as end-to-end tests are not just a bunch of unit and functional tests together, but we have to manage across multiple applications, OS platforms, and UIs. The test often needs to be scheduled in sequence with complex dependencies. It's difficult to manage distributed and diverse testing resources. If testing the supporting business process and end-to-end flow is still manual, all efficiency gains achieved from the Agile and DevOps process can be lost. Test automation is the need. However, without correlating the data with the business process being validated, the end-to-end test will fail. Without the right solution, it is extremely difficult to manage distributed and diverse testing. How can we make sure all these software applications are defect-free? How can we ensure end-to-end testing for the full and comprehensive assessment of real-world conditions that an application may face? How can we ensure that various application integration points and application interfaces are tested properly and within the cost? Is manual testing efficient to test such application scenarios, specifically in Agile DevOps environments? Can we achieve desired end-to-end testing results using test automation? Yes! Single test automation solution is needed to support automation of multiple applications in one flow and correlate data across the end-to-end test. Presenting TestMagic, an AI and ML-based end-to-end, one-stop, scriptless test automation platform. TestMagic can address all end-to-end testing needs of an enterprise application, from blockchain-based applications to legacy applications like Mainframes or AS400. Web to Windows to mobile applications, COTS applications like SAP, Oracle EBusiness and SalesForce. Web services like SOAP, REST, JSON, various databases, various file formats, IVR systems, etc. Let us consider different types of applications such as SAP, Salesforce, AS400, and iOS that could be involved in end-to-end business process testing. Let me explain how TestMagic addressed test automation challenges for one such end-to-end scenario, with applications involving legacy Basis and Prod 400, SAP R3 and CRM, Salesforce, and mobile apps. With weekly, monthly, and annual release cycles, roughly 400 to 450 man-hours of testing efforts were getting spent involving business process experts for each release. Huge numbers of Severity 1 and Severity 2 defects were detected in spring release, which created big risk for the business. With the use of TestMagic, the customer was able to perform sanity tests, business-critical tests, comprehensive tests, and significant tests. Also, test automation coverage got significantly improved. Regression testing efforts were reduced by almost 70%, bringing in cheers on the face for the customer.